everyone, it's Carol. I have a new product to show you. It's by Regelica, The Secret of Age Resilient Skin. Let me show you what came with this. A blue bag, so cute, and a little pouch with a tray, cute tray, a key, and 2 products. Let's see. Look how beautiful this is. This is a Renewal Serum for visible correction of wrinkles, pores, and pigmentation, exfoliation, antioxidant, and rebalance with squalene and centella, antioxidant with Edelweiss and resveratrol, exfoliation with 8% mandelic acid. Wow. Beautiful. So that is a little serum. Very nice. And then this is anti-aging cream with Bakuchiol and Niacinamide. That seems to be the key ingredients lately. 0.5 Bakuchiol natural retinol alternative. 7 seaweed extracts, nutra-rich humectants, and 2% niacinamide plus 5 ceramides for skin barrier reinforcement. Let's see what this looks like. So this is a cream. So you just turn the cap over to punch it, a hole in it, and then whoop. Now this was gifted to me by this company through a website that content creators can apply and pitch to the companies so they get these products. Oh, that smells so good. So we have to pitch a proposal to the company. Sometimes they don't accept it, sometimes they do. So I saw these products and I said, this would be something great to show my beautiful beauties. I only pick things that I think that you would like to see, because what's the purpose, right? And look how great. I mean, I can't wait to use this. Oh, it smells divine. It feels amazing. Wow. No, I'm not just saying that. That is very moisturizing. That's how I like a cream to feel. Where it doesn't completely disappear. Slowly it goes away. But, wow. I'm going to use these on my hands too. So these are the 2 products I got from Regelica. And a little tray and a little key. The key is for this. So just like a toothpaste key, so you could make sure that you get every drop squeezed out of there. So look at this presentation. It's so cute. A little tray and a little bag. Isn't that great? I love it. Thank you, Regelica. You are the greatest. Let's see. No to animal testing, to parabens, no mineral oil, no SLS, no synthetic dyes. Yes to multifunction blend of ingredients. Yes to solution-oriented concentrations. Yes to Korean beauty innovations. Yes, Bakuchiol is a botanical retinol alternative that helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines without irritation and sensitivity that it's sometimes associated with retinol use. Plus 7 mineral-rich seaweed extracts instantly hydrate and nourish, while 5 ceramides and 2% niacinamide strengthen your skin barrier. Aging is inevitable, but it doesn't have to be the end of your skin's beauty journey. With Regelica's Bakuchiol and Niacinamide anti-aging cream, you can own the skin you're in and give it a denser, firmer, and more radiant look. Ooh, and this really feels great. I'm going to use it on my face tomorrow because, wow, on my hands, it feels amazing. Listen to this. This is cool. The CEO of Regelica, Alyssa Park, mom of 2 boys, says everyone deserves resilient skin. Throughout my 20 years living in America, I've noticed that people are surprised when they find out my age. As an Asian woman, I thank genetics, since Asian skin is genetically thicker and less prone to signs of aging. Still, women in Korea are obsessed with skincare. Thus, innovation in the beauty industry is far ahead of the US and Europe. Driven by a curiosity to learn the real secret behind age-resilient skin, I partnered with the best-in-class skin morphology researchers and Korean beauty labs to bring innovative skincare solutions to people of all skin types, tones, structures, and genders. We are made in Korea, made for all. That's by Alyssa Park, CEO of Regelica. How cute is that? And I love the key that they give you. Very cute. And a little tray. So tonight, oh yeah, I'm telling you, that is really nice. Really nice. Another thing I got yesterday was from TEMU. Looks just like, it just looks like an ordinary cup. Coffee or tea. It's a 15 ounce. What I like about it, it is double insulated so it doesn't sweat on my nightstand or my tables. And it has a built-in straw. And it's not a silicone, rubbery straw. It's a hard straw. And it's very easy to take a sip, and the straw stays clean and snaps. You can see what you have and how much you have left. I just love it. I think it's great. This is what I take to bed with me. This is what I take to put next to my bed, on my nightstand. It's just very cute. I like that the straw pops up. It was just a few dollars too on TEMU. I'll put a link down so you know where it is, where you can get it. Very cute, right? So thank you, Regelica. I love the way my hand feels. Beautiful, beautiful products. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed yourself. And if you are interested in any of the products that I showed, just look below the video where it says see more, and then you will see links below for all the products that I show, and I usually put prices there too, so you can go to them if you would like and check them out yourself. So thank you so much. Have a great night, a great day, and I love you all.